depression, wrecked a house of cards. It's anarchy and my aggression with the winds of change steady flowing in my direction. Truth is a matter of lies wrapped in confession. Ostracized sexualities and religious beliefs. Refuse to be another empty face out in the streets. All I hear and all I see are dead coffins. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, and then nothing.
Tell me what you're waiting for now.
So come on, take a stand and make your voice heard loud.
Tell me what you're waiting for now.
Let me hear you all shout it out.